Hi, my name is Scott Shearer. Wes Preston and I will be co-presenting two sessions at 365 EduCon, Power Apps for SharePoint Bootcamp and Power Automate for SharePoint Bootcamp. Both of these are introductory hands-on sessions. So we assume you know nothing about Power Automate or Power Apps when you walk in the door, and hopefully will be functional with Power Automate and Power Apps when you leave at the end of the day. In both sessions, we'll focus on using these tools with SharePoint. In the Power Apps session, you'll start the day by customizing list forms and moving on from there. In the Power Automate session, we'll show you how to create flows from templates and then very quickly move on to creating flows from scratch. There are a couple of things you need to know before attending our session. First, you'll need to come with a Microsoft 365 tenant or environment in which you can do things like create Power Apps, create flows with Power Automate, create a SharePoint site, a list, Microsoft Forms, and we might potentially be using other M365 tools as well. Now, a lot of you might be able to use your employer's environment, but if that's what your plan is, make sure you can do those things before coming to our session, such as creating a flow. Now, if you can't, it's not really a problem because you can always go get a developer tenant for free from Microsoft. But if you do that and you are coming with an employer-provided laptop, you want to be sure that your employer hasn't locked it down. In other words, make sure you can get to the Microsoft 365 environment that you intend to use from your employer's laptop. As I say, on occasion, employers will block environments other than their own. So we hope to see you at this session. I will guarantee you one thing. You have a lot of fun there and you'll walk away with enough knowledge of Power Automate and Power Apps to go back to work and immediately become productive.